Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Tutorials Online School. The Tutorials Online School is an educational channel here on YouTube that is designed to prepare students for the exams on every subject. Okay? We have lots of teachers that are going to be bringing lessons on every subject, helping students prepare well for the exams and excel in their exams. Okay? So if you've not subscribed to the channel, do what to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button so you can always get notified each time I upload a new video. So today's lesson is on general paper, okay, or current affairs. I have questions I've picked from different universities, so I encourage you to watch the video to the end, so you don't miss out on any knowledge I'll be sharing with you guys today, okay? So today we're gonna start with AAUA. The first question is from AAUA. The capital of Iran is. We have option A, Iranian, B, Dublin, C, Baghdad, D, Tehran, and E, Budapest. Okay, now the capital of Iran is Tehran. Okay, Tehran, that's the capital of Iran. Now Dublin is the capital of the Republic of Ireland. Budapest is the capital of Hungary. Baghdad is the capital of Iraq. Okay, the capital of Iran is Tehran. Okay, now the next question: what's the full meaning of UEFA? UEFA, what's the full meaning of UEFA? Now we have option A, Union of European Federation Association. B, United European Football Association. C, Union of European Football Association. D, United English Football Association. E, Union of English Football Association. Okay, now the full meaning of UEFA is Union of European Football Association. Union of European Football Association. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. Okay, now let's see the next question. Nelson Mandela was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in. Nelson Mandela was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in option A, 1992, B, 1993, C, 1994, D, 1995, and E, 1996. Okay, now Nelson Mandela was awarded Nobel Peace Prize on 10th December 1993. Okay, so option B is the correct answer, 1993. Okay, now the next question. Ibeno Beach is in. We have option A, Lagos State, B, Cross River State, C, Akwa Ibom State, D, Taraba State, and E, Niger State. Ibeno Beach is in Akwa Ibom State. Okay, Akwa Ibom State. Now let's see the next question. The June 12th presidential election was annulled by President Ibrahim Babangida on. The June 12th presidential election was annulled by President Ibrahim Babangida on. We have option A, June 12, 1993, June 14, 1993, June 18, 1993, and June 23, 1993, and June 27, 1993. Okay, the correct answer is June 23, 1993. Okay, June 23, 1993, which is option D. Option D. Okay, now the next question, we have Gombe State belongs to the dash geopolitical zones in Nigeria. We have option A, southeast, B, south central, C, southwest, D, northeast, and E, northwest. Okay, now the correct answer is D, northeast. Gombe State belongs to the northeast. Adamawa, Bauchi, Borno, Gombe, Taraba, and Yobe. These are states that belong to the northeast. Okay. Now let's see the next question. Question 7. The former eastern of Nigeria was proclaimed a sovereign state, Biafra, by Odumegwu Ojukwu. This former eastern of Nigeria was proclaimed a sovereign state, Biafra, by Odumegwu Ojukwu on option A, May 30, 1967, B, June 15, 1966, C, April 6, 1968, D, January 10, 1965, and E, April 21, 19 1969. Now, Odumegwu declared the eastern part of Nigeria, Biafra, okay, a sovereign state, Biafra, on May 30, 1967, okay? May 30, 1967. So option A is the correct answer, okay? Now let's see the next question. The official residence of the Secretary General of the United Nations is in. The official residence of the Secretary General of the United Nations is in. You have option A, Washington, D.C. in USA. B, New York City in USA, United States. C, Birmingham, United Kingdom. D, Atlanta, Georgia, United States. And E, London. Okay. Now the official residence of the Secretary General of UN, okay, United Nations, is in New York City, United States. Okay, the official residence of the Secretary General is a townhouse at number 3 Southern Place, Manhattan, in New York City, United States. So option New York City. Okay, option B is the correct answer. Okay, option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is Obanta statue is located in dash. Obanta statue is located in dash. We have option A, Abeokuta, B, Obomoso, C, Ibadan, and D, Ijebu-Ode. Okay, now the correct answer is D, Ijebu-Ode. Obanta statue is located in Ijebu-Ode. Obanta was the third king of Ijebu-Ode. Ijebu-Ode now is known as Ogun State, Nigeria. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. That will be all for today. I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you gained value from this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys again very soon. Okay, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'm always bringing videos that will help you smash your exams on every subject. I have teachers that I've employed who are making videos for you guys on every subject: physics, chemistry, mathematics, every subject. Okay, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that once those teachers start uploading videos, will be among those that will see them. Okay, and also have other videos on this channel: government, literature, and so many other videos that are related to arts. Okay, so that's why I employed science teachers to help make this channel a holistic one, okay, that will serve every person, both those in sciences and arts, including those in commercials. Okay, so join the family by clicking on the subscribe button so you'll always get notified each time I upload a new video and each time my other teachers who are joining me on this channel start uploading videos for you guys. Okay, so this channel is a holistic one for everybody who is preparing for any exams, wax, jam, post UTME. Okay, this channel is for you. Click on the subscribe button in order not to miss any video that I'll be uploading on this channel and the ones that I've already uploaded. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys again.